And now it's time for another Wellness 101. How to Quit Smoking. Presented by St. Luke's University Health Network. So, you've decided to quit smoking. Congratulations on making one of the smartest decisions of your life. However, it's not going to be easy. Quitting smoking can be one of the most difficult things a person can do. Period. There are many different ways to help you quit, but what worked for Jerry down the street may not necessarily work for you. The key is to find the best plan that works for you and stick with it. To successfully quit smoking, you'll not only have to deal with your addiction to nicotine, but all the habits and routines associated with it as well. But don't panic, my friends, because we've got 5 steps to help you kick that nasty habit for good. Step 1. Therapy. Behavioral therapy involves working together with a therapist to find the emotional situations and triggers that cause you to smoke in the first place, and coming up with a battle plan to help you get through your cravings. Step 2. Gums, patches, and sprays, oh my! Everyone knows that nicotine is the addictive substance in cigarettes. Nicotine replacements such as gum, patches, and sprays give you the nicotine you crave without the use of tobacco. But remember, the idea is to end your addiction to nicotine, not merely replace it. That's why these items usually come in different strength levels, which allow you to taper your addiction down safely and slowly. A word of caution here though. You can harm yourself if you misuse or overindulge these products, so it's best to speak to your primary care doctor before starting any nicotine replacement regimen. Step 3. Medication. Prescription medications like Zyban and Chantix can significantly help with your cravings and withdrawal symptoms while you quit. But these medications are not magic pills. You'll still need to work through your old habits and routines. Step 4. Combo treatments. You may be likely to quit for good with the use of a few of these practices together. For example, wearing the patch or chewing some gum while in therapy can help keep your cravings at bay and allow you to focus on what's really causing you to smoke in the first place. Step 5. Cold turkey. When all else fails, you can always go cold turkey. Approximately 90% of people who try to quit smoking do it without aids, therapy, or medication. Unfortunately, this is not the most successful way, with only 5 to 7% of people being able to quit for good on their own. Repeat after me. I can quit smoking. Look, I get it. Quitting smoking is one of the most difficult things a person can do. But the key is not giving up. Find a plan that works best for you and stick with it. If you happen to relapse, don't beat yourself up about it. Just get back on that horse and try again. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share to all who are thinking about kicking the habit. Until next time, this is Mr. Wellness saying be well and follow the steps to a healthier you.